In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of your Tesla glove box not opening in your Model S, Model X, Model 3, or other Tesla models. If your glove box is stuck or won't open, here's what you can do to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Start by ensuring your car is powered on and unlocked, as some Tesla models require the vehicle to be in an on or accessory state for certain features to work. Next, try pressing the glove box release button located on the dashboard or touchscreen, depending on your model. If it doesn't respond, restart the car's systems by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds to reset the touchscreen and controls. After the reset, attempt to open the glove box again. If the glove box still won't open, check for physical obstructions. For Model S and Model X, gently press or pull on the glove box door while activating the release button, as the latch mechanism might be jammed. For Model 3 and Model Y, inspect the electronic latch system. Ensure there's no debris blocking the mechanism and that the button itself isn't damaged. If none of these steps work, there may be an issue with the electronic latch or wiring. In this case, contact Tesla service or schedule a service appointment to diagnose and repair the problem. Avoid using excessive force, as this could cause further damage. If this video helped you fix your Tesla glove box not opening issue, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.